Hi, Anshu Sharma here. Welcome to the new subscribers and my love to all of you. Today's topic is connecting with the crystalline matrix. Dr. Masaru Emoto did experiment on water. He subjected water to various frequencies. He recorded musical impressions on water. They allowed water to listen to music and then froze the water. In the frozen water, they could easily see the formations of beautiful crystals. When the water was exposed to emitting frequencies of peaceful music of Mozart and Beethoven. Listening to heavy rock music and words of hate, water crystals became discolored and malformed, making water murky. Similar results were recorded when people did the prayers or they cursed each other. The results were consistent in obtaining beautiful water crystals when water was exposed to beautiful and kind words and also to peaceful music. Now, most humans dismiss the deeper connection to this information. When they talk about this experiment, they nod and say, yeah, we have heard about these experiments. When we fail to make deeper connection, we do not make the information our own. Our bodies are 70 to 90% water. We have 7 main energy centers called chakras in our body. Emotions, mainly negative, life experiences and improper food habits or other habits block rotation of these chakras. Unblocking of these energies, when we clear them, in these centers, they cause rotation, a speed of rotation in these chakras. They start to spin faster. The interesting thing is, if a person continuously exposes him or herself to higher vibrations of peace and love, water molecules within his chakras or in his bodies along the spinal cord, they begin to form beautiful crystals. This happens when one's heart chakra opens and releases energies of empathy, love and service to others. As we develop higher energy centers in our body, they actually begin to form beautiful crystalline structures within. These tiny crystalline structures act as conduits for healing, allowing positive healing energy to flow into the body. In high vibratory states, they induce positive emotions. It works both ways. Our positive emotions create beautiful tiny water crystals in our body, and presence of these crystals induce and magnify more positive emotions and feelings. Both within and without, crystals contain the remarkable ability to transform absorb, amplify and transmit energy. Energy is everywhere and crystals are the perfect conduits. The vibrations of crystals are known to change depending on the energy surrounding them. Our brain also synthesizes crystals. We have hundreds and millions of them inside our heads. Earth's, sun's and moon's magnetic fields affect our moods. Is there any connection between the crystals in our brain and magnetic fields outside? The electromagnetic field around us. In 1995, presence of magnetite mineral, that is magnetic in nature, in brain was first discovered scientifically. It was discovered that neurons, the nerve cells, in the brain communicate with each other through magnetic signals. Magnetite mineral not only receive and sends signals within human brain, but they also communicate outside with electromagnetic field of our planet as well. Connection is everything. Electricity flows when we connect wires. When we were little, mothers provided us protection, nourishment, food and love. When people lose their mothers early, they not only lose the protection and love, but they also lose valuable life wisdom. Unfortunately, some children then become open to abuse from the world. Some, however, with their conscious connection to the mothers, continue receiving her love, food, attention, wisdom, care, and protection for a long time. Mothers continue to provide food containing vibrations of love and togetherness. Such vibrations, they go into the food. We can all receive sustenance, similar sustenance, love, nurturing, with similar conscious connection with Mother Earth. Earth's crystalline body. On gross level in third dimension, our connection to Mother Earth is carbon-based. But this connection is deeper at the level of crystals. Beneath Earth's surface are beautiful crystals. These crystals carry energy and information. Our connection gets strengthened when crystals in our body connect with the planetary crystals. This connection is deep and powerful. When we connect in such a manner, our energies get magnified. When high vibrational photon, light and gamma waves hit our planet, they power up these crystals below the earth. Likewise, they power up the crystals within our bodies as well. Along these waves, information is carried. As more and more gamma waves are hitting the planet, crystals underneath get charged up, charging and changing Earth's frequencies. When Earth is changing its frequency, then we are also changing our frequencies. We are also creating and receiving more gamma waves within. Let's see what happens in third dimension and what happens in higher states when we vibrate higher. Right above the crystals are magma chambers of volcanoes. Charged crystals are amplified energies. They energize the magma chambers of volcanoes. When energy underneath intensifies, volcanoes erupt. Similarly, our buried emotions, thoughts, traumas, and programs also erupt. They erupt and come to our conscious awareness for clearing. Effects of gamma waves are different from people to people. Gamma waves affect in a pleasant manner when your vibrations are high, when you have done most of your clearing. Then there is not much left inside to erupt. Under the effects of gamma waves, most humans produce alpha brain waves. And these alpha brain waves produce sort of a relaxed state of mind. However, under the effect of gamma waves, the brain cells of a long meditator, they all go in sync. And there is a state of coherence, producing waves of ecstasy and bliss. The whole body, mind, and brain gets coherent. Gamma rays make emotional centers of the brain calm down. One feels peaceful and happy. Gamma rays are the only thing to grow brain's grey matter. And this is the highest state achievable by the brain. In this state, you can reprogram your brain and the DNA. You can make dormant DNA active. Altering space and time, you can go back to your timelines and change them. This change becomes permanent structures of your DNA and it reflects into your reality. This is very powerful. Last, when we make conscious connection with our planet, our energies magnify and our consciousness expands to planetary level, where there is peace, tolerance, sustenance, and above all, unity. We graduate from individual consciousness to planetary consciousness. That's all for today. Thanks for listening. Please leave your comments. Till we meet again, lots of love and light. Bye.